Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Teespring account to YouTube. So without any delay, let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to teespring.com. In the top right corner, click on Login and sign in with the account linked to your YouTube channel. Once you're logged in, go to the Integrations section and select YouTube from the drop-down menu. You'll see a step-by-step guide for connecting Teespring to YouTube. Just a note, to set up a store on YouTube, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and must be approved for monetization. Now, open YouTube Studio and go to the Earn section. Then select Shopping. If you don't see the shopping option, it may mean that your channel isn't eligible yet. Click on Connect a Store. Then choose Spring from the options. This will redirect you to the Teespring. Log in again if needed and authorize the connection to your YouTube channel. Finally, return to YouTube Studio and click Finish Setup to complete the process. So that's it guys. Your Teespring store is now connected to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.